Hey Glam Fam, what's up? So today, oh boy. So let me tell you real fast. I originally wasn't gonna tape what I'm about to tape. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it. By the time you're watching this, it has a name already. I had to go to the store to pick up a few things this morning, and I found some cheap stuff that I need you guys to know about. Show you, because when I tell you cheap, this stuff was cheap. I got a blush, I got a highlighter, and I have a bronzer. I have a brow product, a lippy, and a brush. Okay, I'll get the receipt, but I think it was like $5.70 I paid. So if you want to know what these products are and why I'm so excited, then just keep on watching. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that thumbs up button only if you like the video. Without any further ado, let's do this.
I just want to show you off. I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
So we're going to jump right into this right now. The first thing, you guys, I didn't get it today, so I will start. I'm going to use all the products that I got today, plus some new ones that I haven't been able to go into depth about on my face, because you see I look like a zombie, and I need to make my face look pretty. So I am going to, hey, say hi, John.
Hello.
So he's playing with his plushies right now. He wants to be in mommy's makeup room. So I'm going to first apply my brows. I know you guys have heard about this product because I've been bringing it up a lot lately. Here's the one, and now here's the new one. It counts in new things that I got today that were cheap. This is $2, y'all. This is the e.l.f. Brow Pencil in the color dark brown. For you people that have kids, they want to watch a plushie review, we're going to do it. So I just want to show you the tip. This is not new. This is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going to prime my eyebrows with it. I noticed that if I do that, then the brows stay on much longer. So creamy. And if you're looking to be out the door fast, this is a fast, easy brow pencil. $2. See how it makes perfect hair-like strokes?
Let's cut this out.
Definitely will. The next thing we're going to get into is the skin. I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer. I love this primer. If you've watched my videos before, you know I'm absolutely crazy about it. The way it makes your skin look outside is phenomenal. I like to buff in my primer with a brush. So now we're going to apply foundation. You guys know I don't like foundation. I might have used it in one other video. This is a Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 in the color tan, which is numbered 09. It has a pump. Is it my favorite foundation? No. But is it good for the price? Absolutely. My Morphe M429 brush. I just usually use the littlest foundation possible because this brush will get all the product. And no, I don't have a Morphe code, so I'm just keeping it 100 with y'all. And I always will.
Mommy, remember, I will be watching this video.
I know. You're my biggest fan. I love using the most minimal foundation because this brush will give you all your product. I love beauty blenders, but the thing is here, I'll even show you, I have like tons of beauty blenders in there. But the thing is that with this brush, you use less product because it gives you all your product that you put on it. And I don't like to put any foundation here. Like I'll get a little bit over here, but I don't like to get it here because I don't want foundation with concealer. The more you put there, the more it's gonna crease. I don't wanna look like a cake face.
Cake face?
Yeah. Cake face is when you have too much makeup on your face and it layers up and it looks so bleh.
Hey, Mommy, let's do that scene. Cake face. Let's do that scene.
I'll mix all my foundations together and put it on. You want to do that, John?
I got an idea. How about we blend all of the
Makeups? All the skin makeups?
yeah, and then put them all on you.
We will. That's a good idea.
That sounds like an awesome idea.
That is an awesome idea, especially since you came up with it. We're going to go in with the Mario Bedesco. This is a nice little added hack that I like to do. This is the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I spray my brush, and then I go in my skin one more time and pounce it all around. This is going to give you a more natural looking finish. I can tell you right now that if I'm only doing this YouTube channel for 4 people, I'll do it forever. And I love when my mom sees it. Shout out to my mother. I love you.
Hello, Grandma. I love you, Grandma.
See, like, my mom is definitely going to watch this. She always watches my videos, and she recreates my looks. As long as my mom and my daughter are watching and my OG subscribers, we good. We good. Set it with the Coty Air Spun. I put a little bit in the generic stippling brush I got from TJ Maxx. It just says stippling on it, doesn't even have a name. And then I tap, and then I pounce it into my skin. And not where I'm going to lay concealer. I don't want powder on powder. Make sure you guys get your neck because that's where foundation tends to transfer. That'll make the powder become one with the skin. One with the skin. It's not a new item, but since I have to do my whole face, we're going in the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. This is in the color I Have No Clue because the label completely ripped off.
Wow.
So you guys just get 2 shades lighter for you guys. Down the bridge of my nose. Going in with my Morphe G2 to blend this concealer out. I love this brush because it gets in so well and blends so perfectly. Morphe, you should give me a product code. Not for nothing. Not for nothing. I've been using your product since 1992. Okay, maybe not that long, but a long time. We go way back like flapjacks.
Wow.
Cringe.
Don't edit that part out, Mom.
Okay, I won't edit it out. You like that?
Yeah.
I usually like to take my finger inner corner just to make sure. I go over it one more time, and then directly after that I go into the powder and I bake, because the longer you wait, the faster it creases. I literally take the remnants, tap my G2 with it. I take my Morphe G2, or you can take your beauty blender, and I go like this. It'll just give your cheekbones more definition when you go to contour. They're great finds. We all know I like that high-end stuff, but you know, sometimes we gotta watch our coin. We gotta watch our shmoney. Okay, so I'm going into this Profusion Glam palette. This palette literally still has the price tag. If you guys can see that, it was $4.99 at Ross. Oh, because I bought this at Ross. It doesn't have a name. It does not have a name. This cream colored shade right here with our blending brush. Tap off the excess and get in. It doesn't matter if you can't see the transition shade, because that's just the shade that's going to help the other shadows blend. Go back and forth, circular at the edges, and windshield wiper motions. This is one of the new products I got today. This e.l.f. crease brush, this is to get into the creases right here, especially if you don't have hooded eyes like I do. Take that brown right there on our crease brush, and we're gonna put it concentrating on the outer V and going into the crease. I cannot believe that this brush was $1. Like, come on. We're gonna take our blending brush and blend that out. Go into this shade right here. Then I'm just gonna go right above where I laid that crease color. I feel like it matches my shirt. I keep my eyes simple because I'm going in with a red lip, because the red lip is one of the new products I got today. So for the lid itself, we're gonna go into this beautiful white color, and we're gonna mix it with that color right there. And we're gonna start right here and use our finger. You know me, you know I love using my finger for my lid because I feel like it always packs the best pigment. Say that 3 times fast. Can you say that 3 times fast, Jonathan? The best pigment?
Pass the best pigment.
Pass the, keep saying it.
Pass the
Yeah. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Hey, Mommy, look at this.
Let me see.
Hold it.
You got a lot of plushies. You must be
Hold it.
spoiled. Oh snap, look at that.
Hold
Okay, there we go.
Okay,
Aw.
you can go back. Don't cut that part out.
I won't. We're back. So now I'm just gonna go over it one more time with a fluffy brush because I like to make sure everything's smooth. Where are you going, John?
I'm gonna go.
All right, we're gonna go in to our face products. So introducing the first thing I found is this LA Colors Shimmer Bronzer. Look at that. It's like a gold coin sitting in the middle of a bronzer. I'm all about that. Let me swatch it for you guys. First of all, it's creamy as can be. I don't know what, it is beautiful. So I'm just gonna put my stippling brush. This is Daisy Fuentes stippling brush. And I'm gonna tap. It has a little bit of kickback. And I'm just gonna warm up my face. I'm feeling it. Loving the way it's, I love pigmented bronzers. Take that bake off, baby. Now, since we, oh shit. Blush, I got this today too for $1.25. This is the LA Colors Rad Rouge blush. I'm just praying that it's pigmented because every time I use a blush, it never shows up. And look at this. Are you kidding me? $1.25, and here's the blush. It comes with one of those brushes and it has a mirror. Shut the door. Unless I was going on the go. I am going to swatch this for you guys. It is a powder formula, but I feel like it has a pretty color. My Morphe blush brush. This is the Morphe M427. Tap off the excess. Not a lot of kickback. And I'm going right above my oh my gosh, this is stunning. This is beautiful. I'm gonna go over it with a powder brush because it's that pigmented. And when you're wearing a red lip, you don't want to have too much blush on because then you'll look like Annabelle from a horror movie. So you got to be careful. Powder fluffy brush. This is a nice brush. The name of this is the Oleo and Olivia. This is from Australia. And I'm just going to mix everything together just to soften it up. Give me a nice sunburned, sun-kissed look. Before we go into highlighter, because that's the thing I'm most excited about, I'm going to finish my eyes. I'm going to go in with this small detail brush. Thank you, Mom, who bought this for me because I work at Disney. Brown color right there again. Other favorite pencil brush. I'm going to go into that black with the sparkles, just to go on top of that brown to give it a little bit of oomph. So here's my goody that I paid for $1.50 for. We're going to find out if it works, but I just feel like it will. The powder gives me high hopes because it's from the same company. But first, let's spray. LA Colors, the same company that made this blush. Strobing Illuminating Powder. Can you guys see that container? Blush, it has a mirror. It has a little foam pad. I don't really use these, but it's nice to know. An item that's $1.50 has this nice of packaging. This is what it looks like. This is what its swatch is like. It is like a white, gold, yellowy, beautiful color. I like to spray my brush and spray my face. I'm all about powder and texture not sitting on my face. And I'm gonna go right on the high points of my cheeks. Do you guys see how beautiful that is? Down my nose. I love this highlighter. This camera's not doing any justice. Take $1.50, go to the Family Dollar and get this. And just trust me. Right, and I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna spray my beauty blender. I'm gonna pounce right over where I laid that highlighter. Do you guys see that? How natural of a glow that looks now. It's beautiful. Oh, lovely. The Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. Oh my gosh, you guys should see this on my brow bone. Do you guys see that highlighter? I am living for this highlighter. And this Milani Conceal and Correct, I didn't know how I felt about that foundation when I first got it. I was like on the fence about it, but I'm telling you, I'm feeling it. The more I look up close, the more I'm saying that I like this foundation. Final product that is new for me, I know they've had it out for a while, but I just picked it up, is the Outlast All Day by Covergirl. And this is in the Intense. The Intense, you put on the lacquer first and then the gloss, if I'm not mistaken. $8. I'm gonna go in with the color first, that's step one. Let it dry and then go in with the part two, which is the gloss. Yeah, I'm gonna put on the gloss now, the step two. Same applicator. This gloss literally took it up like 10 levels. This isn't sticky. I am feeling this. I feel like a vixen. Hey. If you guys like spending time with me, this is the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always being here. And yeah, have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Just so you know, you don't always have to break the bank to get good products.